Let's make a soft, fluffy vanilla cake from scratch. Start with 3 fresh eggs. Crack them straight into your mixer. Whisk until light and frothy. This gives the cake that perfect airy texture. Now sift in your self-raising flour. This helps remove lumps and keep the cake light and fluffy. Gently tap the sieve to let the flour fall like a snow into the bowl. Once you've sifted your self-raising flour, make sure you add a pinch of salt and give it a good mix. This helps spread the baking agents evenly so your cake rises perfectly every time. Now pour in your 100 ml of oil. I'm using sunflower oil in this video. This keeps the vanilla cake really soft and moist. Give it a gentle mix until the oil blends smoothly with the dry ingredients. Next, pour in your milk. This brings everything together and gives the cake that smooth, creamy texture. Mix until you get a light silky batter with no lumps. Now add a splash of vanilla extract. This is where all the beautiful aroma comes in. Give it one last gentle mix until everything is perfectly combined. Next, grease your baking pan with oil or butter. This keeps the cake from sticking and helps it slide out beautifully once baked. Make sure to coat the edges as well and the base evenly. Now pour your batter into the grease pan. Look at that silky smooth texture. Gently tap the pan to release any air bubble and level the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees or gas mark 3 for about 30 to 35 minutes until golden and springy to touch. Just look at that soft, fluffy, and perfectly baked vanilla cake. Simple ingredients, beautiful results every time. Thank you for watching. Try this soft, fluffy vanilla cake at home and enjoy every bite. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more easy baking recipe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.